Oh, goddamn. And oh, I can't. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Ivy by Taylor Swift. I don't know why I'm getting the feeling that she has written a song before and it had this name. I don't know, but whatever. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 2, and we're playing the following chords. Okay. So, A minor, G, F, C. Hold on. So this is your verse, right? A minor, G to F. C, G. A minor, G, F. C, G. So that's your progression for goddamn F, C. Okay, so for your chorus it's now A minor, goddamn F, C, A minor, and then G, okay? So basically what I'm doing with my strums is there's a little bit of muting and you, so that's down, down. Okay, so that's down, 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 down. Okay, so now that we have the progressions for the verse and the chorus, that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Okay, there's a change around 2 minutes there. Okay, so the Crescent clear, string raceless, what does it feel? Okay, so that's D minor. Let me just play that with you guys. I can't. D minor, F, A minor, C, D minor, F, A minor, G, okay? And then you come back to your verse. And that is pretty much your whole song, guys. If there's any chords that I use here that you're not familiar with, you can check out my chord video. It has a detailed illustration on the chords, how to hold them, how to play them, and you can learn them and then come back here for your progressions. Otherwise, that's been it for this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this and leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace out.